At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a Vtuber, virtual YouTuber agency, can be an exciting venture in the rapidly growing world of virtual entertainment. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Familiarize yourself with the Vtuber community, understand its trends, popular Vtubers, and audience demographics. Identify your niche within the Vtuber space. Are you focusing on gaming, entertainment, education, or something else? Define your business model. Will you focus on talent management, content creation, or both? Determine how you'll generate revenue, e.g., through brand partnerships, sponsorships, merchandise, etc. Create a business plan outlining your goals, target audience, revenue streams, marketing strategies, and financial projections. 2. Legal considerations. Choose a legal structure for your agency, e.g., sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, and register your business with the appropriate authorities. Consult with a lawyer to draft contracts for talent management, partnerships, and any other legal documents you may need. Consider trademarking your agency's name and logo to protect your brand identity. 3. Build your team. Hire staff as needed, such as talent managers, content creators, marketing specialists, and administrative personnel. Look for individuals with experience in the entertainment industry, digital marketing, and talent management. 4. Recruit Vtubers. Reach out to aspiring Vtubers through social media, online forums, and Vtuber communities. Showcase what your agency can offer, such as support with branding, content creation, monetization strategies, and career development. Evaluate potential Vtubers based on their personality, content quality, engagement with their audience, and growth potential. 5. Provide support and services. Assist Vtubers with branding, character design, and avatar creation if needed. Offer guidance on content creation, audience engagement, and platform optimization. Help Vtubers monetize their content through sponsorships, merchandise sales, crowdfunding, and other revenue streams. 6. Marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your agency and its Vtubers across various platforms, including social media, YouTube, Twitch, and Vtuber-specific communities. Collaborate with other content creators, influencers, and brands to increase visibility and attract new audiences. Organize events, contests, and collaborations to engage with fans and build community around your agency and its Vtubers. 7. Monetization. Explore different monetization opportunities, such as brand partnerships, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, fan subscriptions, and virtual gifts. Negotiate favorable deals on behalf of your Vtubers and ensure fair compensation for their work. 8. Continuous growth and adaptation. Stay updated on industry trends, platform policies, and audience preferences to remain competitive. Encourage innovation and experimentation within your agency to keep content fresh and engaging. Provide ongoing support and resources to help your Vtubers grow their channels and reach their full potential. Starting a Vtuber agency requires dedication, creativity, and a deep understanding of both the entertainment industry and the digital landscape. By following these steps and staying proactive, you can build a successful business that supports talented Vtubers and delights audiences around the world. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.